In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a Patreon tier. If you want to hide one of your membership tiers from new visitors without deleting your entire page setup, Patreon gives you a simple way to do that. Unpublishing a tier is useful when you no longer want to offer that option publicly, but still want to manage your memberships more cleanly inside your creator account. To get started, log in to your Patreon creator account. Once you're signed in, look to the left side menu and go to your Creator Studio. This is the main area where you manage your page, content, and membership settings, so it's the right place to begin for any tier-related changes. After you're inside the Creator Studio, open the Membership tab on your page. This section shows your current membership structure, including the tiers you've created for your patrons. Take a moment to find the specific tier you want to hide. If you have several tiers, it can help to double-check the name, price, and benefits before making any changes, just to make sure you're editing the correct one. Once you've found the tier, click Edit next to it. This will open that tier's settings, where you can review its details and make changes. From there, scroll down toward the bottom of the page. Near the lower section, click More, or select the three dots if that's what appears in your version of the interface. This menu contains additional actions for that tier that aren't shown in the main editing area. In that menu, choose Unpublished Tier. Patreon will usually ask you to confirm the action before applying the change, which is a good safeguard in case you clicked it by accident. Go ahead and confirm to unpublish the tier. Once that's done, the tier will no longer be publicly available for new supporters to join. This is a helpful option if you're retiring an offer, simplifying your membership options, or making room for a new tier structure without fully deleting older settings right away. And that's all it takes to unpublish a Patreon tier. Just sign in to your creator account, open Creator Studio, go to the Membership tab, edit the tier you want to hide, open the More menu, and select Unpublished Tier to confirm the change. If you're updating multiple tiers, it's a good idea to review your membership page afterward so you can see exactly what your audience